Sandalwood mourns actor Puneeth Rajkumar's death. Karnataka's power star's untimely demise has left his fans in shock and disbelief. His friends across the industry find it hard to believe that their fittest colleague has left them so soon.
It's like blank हो गया, blank आ गई तो, full blank आ गई तो, I don't know what to say. Very tough.
I remember Apu being really happy, and just not from the outside but from the inside. So when something like that happens to a person like that, I think it's tragic. For me, I think it would be very difficult to digest it till I actually see.
Celebrities are flying to Bengaluru to pay their last respects to the Kannada superstar.
He's such a fitness guy. He's the most fittest in the Kannada film industry, and I really don't know what happened and how it's such a horrible day.
Puneeth's mortal remains have been kept at Kantirava Stadium for his admirers to catch a last glimpse of their beloved hero. Actor's funeral procession will begin from Kantirava Stadium to Kantirava Studio, which is next to his father's memorial.
Now, fans from across the state have been pouring into the stadium non-stop. And it's not just his fans, but also celebrities from across South India have been flying into the city to pay their last respects and meet his family members. All this while security has been heightened in the city and the situation is extremely peaceful, keeping in mind the large number of people coming into Bengaluru.
The actor's last rites will be performed with full state honours on Sunday. One of his daughters reached Bengaluru on Saturday to support his inconsolable wife. Tributes are pouring in after superstar Rajkumar's son breathed his last at Vikram Hospital on Friday after severe cardiac arrest.
He was a proactive otherwise in social media and social works also. It was so shocking. In such a sorrow. Yeah, certainly state will miss him, cinema will miss him, Sandalwood will miss him, and especially youths will miss him.
People of Karnataka have lost a potential and talented artist in Kannada film industry. It's a great loss to the film industry.
The Bengaluru police have directed all the liquor shops to remain closed for 2 nights as a precautionary measure amidst high security arrangements in the city.
The whole bandobast security arrangements are throughout the city. So the total deployment is something around 6,000, and because of that we have deployed staff and ships, and throughout the night the same bandobast has continued.
An all-rounder actor gone too soon. Apu might no longer be with us, but his legacy lives on. With Nabila Jamal, Nolan Pinto and Pratibha Raman in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.